And so we begin the day with some cooking. Today we're gonna cook something simple. Just omelets, you know, cause it's morning, I haven't had my breakfast, and I feel like omelets. I mean, yeah, that's what you eat in the morning, right? Freaking omelets. Oh, I know what I should do. Omelets, man. This is one thing you need to know how to do when you're living alone and you have no one else to cook with. Knowing how to cook omelets will save your life. You know why? Because you can cook omelets when you have no food. It's good for breakfast, good for lunch, good for crunch wraps, good for sandwiches. Oh shit, that's too much oil. God damn it. Hang on. We don't need too much oil. You just need a little bit so that the egg doesn't burn on the pan. It's just a little lubricant, you know, eggs. You add some milk, not too much milk. Some salt, not too much, and some pepper. Oh, that's too much. Alright, you just mix it all up. See that? That's too pale. You added too much milk. There's another egg. There, you mixed it well. You're good job, good job, you punk. Alright. Now let's focus on that. See, it's so simple. It's done in like less than 5 minutes. Watch this. Oh, check if your pan is hot. I like to cook in a very high heat pan. That way the outside cooks really fast and you get to have this soft crust inside as well. It's still not hot. I want actual fire, but that's too dangerous. So we can't use actual fire. How do you know when it's hot? If it's hot. Does it feel hot to you? Yes, it does. So you just dump it in there. Ooh. Ooh, scrambled eggs. I know I keep saying omelets, but it's actually just scrambled eggs. Whoops. Yeah, we're gonna cook scrambled eggs. What is he doing? Is he going crazy? Shut up. Not going crazy. This is just how I cook it. Remember when I said I like cooking in high heat? Because if I mix it around at the same time, you get this texture of crazy. Yeah, there we go. You get it scrambled. Freaking scrambled eggs. Scramble on the pan, man. Scramble on the pan. Then let it sit for a bit more. Keep on sitting. Patience, they say. I don't really care. I just want it cooked. Ooh. See that? The edges are getting a little bit more whiter and the egg is getting a little bit more oranger. Is it? It's too early? It's too early? Is it too early? Nope. It's... What is he doing this time? Shut up and just watch. Alright. I've never succeeded in this, but I am willing to keep on trying. Oh jeez. See that? That is not... Oh god. I should have just kept it. What I was doing just before. Oh god. Now what is he doing? Shut up! I don't know either. Yeah, this is one of the things that makes scrambled eggs great. If you think you've failed, no you haven't. Because as long as it's cooked, it's scrambled eggs. There we go. kind of finished it now. Just leave it alone for a bit. Yeah, it definitely tastes like eggs. Still a little bit. A little bit of seasoning right after you finish cooking it. And then add it to your measly amount of rice. That's right. I don't have a lot of rice. I didn't check the rice cooker to see if there was enough rice. So now there's not enough rice. See, doesn't that look somewhat? It's nice. I mean, it's not the best looking, but it's not the worst looking either. But it's nice. There you go. Friggin' omelette on rice. See, give it a taste. Mmm. It's okay. Right. And that's how you cook omelettes. Thanks for watching, I guess.